What's up today, guys? BTAJ_VR here with another video. Today we're going to be playing Animal Company. I know it's new, but gotta get used to it. Because I'm going to be playing all sorts of games. So let's just stop yapping and get right into the video. I broke. In this video we are going to be playing Forest. Hey, no one's in Forest. Wait, where's everyone? I know I heard a bunch of voices in here. Oh my gosh, no. Oh my gosh. Go! Wait, hey, I wanna say hi. Go! Shotguns. Who wants to kill me? So many revolvers everywhere! Guys, Blue wants to kill me! I'm chilling over there. I just got
two shots. Oh wait, there's three revolvers.
Guys, Blue wants to kill me!
Alright. I see how it is.
No, I'm sorry!
Nope, no sorry.
Blue wants to kill me! Blue!
I'm trying to kill him, Blue, before I kill you.
Wait, guys, don't
I'm
hurt me.
trying
I'm
to kill
just
him before I
watching.
murder you.
I'm just watching.
If you hit him at least. What? Bobby?
I'm just watching. I'm just making content for my YouTube video over here.
Cool.
Go. Oh my gosh.
Yeah, first one to die is gay.
Wee! Time for me to get killed.
I'll be afraid. There you go. We just. Boop. Die! Down here, Blue. Put him in. Quick. Put him in.
Hello.
Throw the gun!
I'm sorry, man. I'm not even ready. Let me get my weapon.
Yo, can everybody kill Pug? He was shooting.
No, I'm on your team.
He is.
Whee! No, Blue keeps killing me. Blue keeps killing me. Missed me?
Pug, I killed you once.
Someone look up! Yes. Look up! This is probably lame for you guys.
Wow. What up, Green? Yo, Green, can I have that grapple? Can I have that grapple? Oh, he left. Who needs a grapple hook? Whoever needs a grapple hook, I got them. Where are you?
Let's go! You. I want to show you something. Oh my gosh! Okay. Yeah?
That was your last chance, Blue.
I'm sorry, bro. I'm sorry.
That was your last chance, Blue.
What do you want to show me? What do you want to show me?
What I thought.
Okay, come.
Dang!
Get this.
Loser.
Okay. Look at me. Is that the glitch?
Did you see?
Yeah, that's the glitch. Oh my gosh.
That's the
What if I
glitch.
just teleport into it?
You can glitch out the map. Let me do something real quick.
You see here, you will
Okay,
Wait, guess what? You
can I
just
use
showed my
my second?
YouTube camera this. You just showed my YouTube camera this.
That one
Respect to
thing.
you. Respect. You deserve respect.
Who's
Now get
killing who before I kill you?
Hey, don't kill him! Okay, I'm sorry, okay. He was just trying to be we were just playing. We were trying to do a glitch.
Nah, bro, it's
We
not.
We're trying to do a glitch.
Multiple times.
I guess it
Okay,
comes
you
to the
can
final
go.
three.
You can
Guess it
go.
comes to the final three. Hey! He's my dad!
Kill
Oh, yeah, baby! Kill this guy!
Try something.
a hard hat.
Oh wait, I need to reload this.
Die! I'm gonna kill them.
Rah! Die, frog
He's
boy!
grabbing his current. Blue gorilla with the hard hat. I want to try and swoop him and take a picture.
It's nice to go home.
I'm trying to take this.
And spawn them.
It's nice to go home.
And that's for somebody else.
Hi!
Oh, man.
Hi!
Yo, what's up? What's up? Alright, can you kill blue gorilla? Like light
Heck
blue?
yeah, I can!
Run, you legit pistols. Pink right behind you.
California.
Get him. Right there. With the blue pistol.
California, knows how to party.
Kill him! Red, kill him! Kill him!
Ah!
Nice. We did some damage. We're both going to
Wait,
attack
I
at the
lost
same
part of
time.
my YouTube camera. Do you want... Help!
Don't kill my friend!
Fuck you!
Yes, the homeless! But he tried to kill my friend! He tried to kill my friend! Broke that kid!
A tree!
In the city!
No, I'm playing the game. Telling that I'm playing my game? That sounds pathetic. Ah! Die! Die! You don't want him!
I'm so
You don't want him!
confused. I know. Kill him! Kill him! Kill black! Kill black! Kill black! Kill black! Kill black!
Flood back for me!
Retreat! Alright.
Do I say hi to my YouTube camera?
Sure, what's up? What's up, YouTube?
Shoutouts to this
Alright,
guy.
what we're gonna do-
Shoutouts to this guy.
What we're gonna do, we're gonna jump down on light blue and tag him at the same time. He's gonna die. We're gonna come in stash. But not
I have a question. Can I friend you?
Sure. Come on, Stu.
We need to get heading. Get heading. Get heading.
Take your stuff. Take your stuff.
Behind me!
Oh my gosh.
Bro, did I get that red bar?
Get it.
Oh my god,
yeah, who's
yeah.
filming this unit?
Frog. Frog.
Everybody get frog. Everybody get frog.
Hang on, I'm trying to friend Frog. Hang on, let me friend Frog.
Why not you gonna kill him? Oh, bro, we did kill him.
All right, Frog. Frog.
Nobody get frog.
Can I friend you now?
I don't know. Bombardino, crocodilo, trippy, trappa, trappa, trippa.
I also have this.
Dum 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 sa, worm, ta 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 sa, worm. Din 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 dun, la la orca little orca la. Alright, climbing into the war zone.
Continue playing Kill Blue.
Oh my god. Okay, he's dead.
Is there a war going on? Is there a war going on?
Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry.
Come out.
I would say that.
Okay, I won't kill you.
And
What the heck?
yeah.
I've been like 5 billion times. Get him! Get him! Ah!
What to do, mom? Like, let's put on the pop. Come on, guys, let's roll the
Heck no.
Frog?
Oh, yes.
I got you!
Come here, pink. Oh my god, bro.
Help
I threw
me!
the entire
Help!
thing.
Bye!
What the hell? No reason.
No! Hey! Someone save me!
Have a good Ew, Bozo, get
Someone
trolled.
save me! Save me!
That was not a nice friend.
He's right, watch.
You be nice. You be nice.
Save
You
me!
be nice.
Save me! Frog! Frog!
Oh.
Save me!
Freak, I dropped.
Save me!
Freak, I dropped it. I dropped one.
Save me! Save me! That's my body! Save me!
Come on, around.
That's my body! That's my body!
Let's team.
Hey!
I need you. Wait, hold up. Blue.
There you go, little baby.
Blue.
You seem really good. Can you revive him? I'm leading a group.
No! Please! My video! My video channel! My video is not going to be happy with this! Yeah.
Hello.
My YouTube channel's not going to be...
Bro, it's all.
Yes!
Bro, if we don't, if we don't revive anybody, if we don't revive everybody, we're robots. Oh, you know.
The flip is this. Flying squirrel umbrella pack. Oh, I forgot I had.
Oh,
one of
poor
those.
old Pink. He's too poor to afford anything.
I'm requesting backup. I'm requesting backup from.
You!
Come on. Go over there.
I'm being the front lines.
If you see robots, kill him.
Yo, why me? I thought we were having truth. Oh yeah,
Come on.
sorry.
Come on.
It's cause him.
Come on, my
Bro, why would you do that? Hey, oh, yeah. Got him.
Help me! I'm being attacked! Help me! I'm being someone's slave! Help me!
Noah Doppler!
No! Yes! Revenge! Die! I'm not your slave!
We're good!
Oh my god.
One day.
I'm not your
What was
slave! I am not your slave!
Shut up!
Ah!
Bro, you
What happened?
are a part of my team.
My video is not going to be happy with you.
KD, that's what?
Oh,
So I threw your grapple if you want it back.
Okay, I'm not.
Okay, I'm sorry.
But I'm full team.
Man, you want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Wait, guys,
Yeah, sure.
You want your grapple back?
Yeah, sure.
the camera's right here. The camera's my face. The camera's my face.
It's you!
Wait, hon, do you want to say hi to my YouTube channel? Want to say hi to my YouTube channel?
I can actually kill you in my.
Hello.
Shout out to that guy. Shout out to this guy.
Like this?
Shout out to this guy too. He's actually a sweat. Shout out to this guy. Shout out to this guy. He's actually pretty good.
Guys, look at my grappler. Guys, look at my
Alright,
grappler.
excuse me,
Is it
shout
looking
out.
like this?
Bro.
Me put
Dang, why'd you kill him? Why'd you kill him?
I won't kill you. I won't kill you.
He didn't know. He didn't know because you
I
killed me.
killed
Because you killed me. He didn't know, so don't kill him.